Evan, where are you? Where are you? How did you get in there? Are you in the doggy house? Oh, now how are you going to get out? Did you crawl in there? Oh, there you go. There you go. Now come out this way. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're a silly boy. Oh, here comes Coco. She says, get out of my house. Hello. Whoop. Hello there. You want to give the camera a kiss? Ah.